Hey there everybody, if you're watching this video, you probably want to know how to use Authy on mobile. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Authy is a two-factor authentication app that enhances security for online accounts. It generates time-based one-time passwords or push notifications to verify your identity in addition to your regular password. Authy is designed to protect your accounts from unauthorized access by requiring this second form of verification. Authy is available for various platforms, including iOS, Android, and desktop computers. It offers features such as cloud backups and multi-device synchronization, making it easier to manage and recover your 2FA tokens if you switch devices. By using Authy, you add an extra layer of security to your online accounts, which helps safeguard against potential breaches and unauthorized access. First, navigate to the Accounts or Security Settings section. Choose to set up a different authenticator app. You will be presented with a QR code. In Authy, click the plus button, then scan QR code and hold your phone's camera up to the screen. Since this is the first account you are linking, Authy will prompt you to enter a backup password. This is crucial for recovering your accounts if you lose access to the app. Confirm your password and then enter the 6-digit PIN shown in Authy. Once set up, you will need to enter the 6-digit PIN provided by Authy every time you log into Microsoft. To explore other features in Authy, click on the settings icon in the top right corner. You can view all linked accounts and manage backups. You can also rename accounts or delete them. Enable multi-device access to use Authy on multiple devices. For instance, you can use it on both your phone and laptop. If multi-device support isn't enabled, you will need to contact Authy for recovery, which can take longer. And that's pretty much all about how you can use Authy on mobile. Well, I hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like the video, share the video, and subscribe to this channel for more tips and solutions. Till then, bye bye, and I will see you in the next one.